guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is in collaboration with Artistro. So Artistro are a US based family brand art supply company founded in 2015, and as of today they have over 20 products in their store, which includes acrylic and oil based paint markers and other high quality non-toxic affordable art supplies. So Artistro have kindly provided me with the 12 set of extra fine paint pens to share with you today. So let's open this box and have a look what is inside. Very unusual, some white paint pens. I'm used to another brand which are not white. Okay. So I suspect that these are going to be like most other paint pens that they will require activation. Okay. So if we just have a look at one. So these are going to be a pump action. And the Artistro pen. So just like a little fine nib. This is the extra fine pen. So to activate, shake well with cap on. To prime the tip, press against a piece of paper repeatedly until the ink begins to flow. Okay, so I need to activate all of these pens. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I will come back and we will swatch on this paper that I have here. So I've primed all these pens now, so we're just going to go through and swatch all the colours and see what they look like. Okay, so swatch everything now. So first impressions of these pens is they're really nice, vibrant colours. Can't really tell how opaque they are at this point because I've not layered them, but they're really nice matte paint pens, which is what I like. I'm not really a fan personally of ones that have a sheen to them, but these appear really matte. I think I've got the yellow a little bit dirty there, but yeah, they are very nice, clean, bright colours. The only thing I will note is they took so long to activate. Like I said, I did that for camera. It took a really long time, so I would have liked to have that been shorter, but at this point, all positive apart from that. It was just a little bit of a time thing, but obviously when you're priming a paint pen, you're only going to do that once, so it's not really an issue, but it would have been nice if they were a little bit quicker, but that's fine because we're not going to prime them every time. So now that we have swatched everything, I'm going to create an artwork to demonstrate the supplies, and I've already done a sketch. So if we put the swatch out the way, this is my Animal Crossing character, which I thought would not only help to portray me a little bit to you guys, but also a great way to show off as many of the colours as possible. I've already drawn this, so just sit back, have a cup of tea or a coffee and enjoy some art, and I'll come back at the end to let you know how you can get yourself some of these pens. So now we're in time lapse, I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about these pens. So I've gone onto Artistro's website and I've looked up this product, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it based on what they've written on the website. So these are the ultra fine tip acrylic paint pens in a set of 12, and on their website, which is a US site, they retail at $17.57. Okay, so the description says the premium quality and elegant design. Artistro paint pens utilise vivid water-based ink that dries quickly to produce a very durable, opaque and glossy finish on light and dark surfaces. Multi-purpose. Enjoy creating art projects on a variety of surfaces like rocks, stone, metal, pottery, treated smooth wood, plastic, terracotta, polymer clay and more. Great for detailing. Use our acrylic paint pens for drawing, fine line work and detailed DIY projects. Create stunning art for the Kindness Rocks project, custom mugs and other personalised gifts for your loved ones. Non-toxic, no odour. Paint markers confirmed to ASTMD/4236. Ideal for artists and art students, teenagers and adults. Colours included black, white, yellow, blue, green, pink, red, gold, silver, brown, orange and violet pens. And the specs are that the pen tip is ultra fine 0.7mm, ink base is acrylic, ink colour multicolour. There's 12 pens and they are suited for glass, metal, ceramic, fabric, porcelain, stone, wood, paper and rubber. Hi guys, welcome back. So here it is. I have created an entire artwork with just the 12 extra fine tip Artistro paint markers. So I'm going to give you a little review. Basically, I think these pens are fantastic, especially if you are new to paint markers and you're not sure whether you want to try them, because paint markers can be very, very expensive. So if you're looking to try out markers for the first time, these are a really, really good option. They're very affordable. The paint appears to be very high quality. It's certainly pigmented. It gives a really nice coverage. What I will say is, if you're looking to do block colour like I've done here, then you need a bigger size. It is very difficult with a nib this size to do block colour. You can do it, but it takes a really, really long time. So what I would say and recommend is that perhaps if you want to do fine detail like outlining and things, and you want to do block colour like I have done, you will need to buy 2 different sizes. Now for your outlining and your details, this size is excellent, so I would definitely recommend the extra fine tip. There is also a fine tip which is, I'm not sure the dimensions of it, but it's a bit bigger, and that's going to be, for a piece this size, would be absolutely fine for doing your block colour. They also do a bigger size. But yeah, I'm very, very impressed with the pigmentation. The colour selection is excellent. They were fun to use. They perform like any other paint marker, to be honest. You might have seen me pump onto a separate bit of paper when I first pick a pen up. I would do that with any other paint marker. So you can see my little dabs. And the reason why I do this is to make sure the paint is still mixed. Big thumbs up from me. I would definitely recommend these, and I would definitely use these again myself. So as I mentioned earlier on, I would tell you where you could get these pens and any other Artistro product. So I will leave a link below to Artistro's own website. It's a US site. They have a store. There's a lot of items on their store, and if you follow the link below, it's an affiliate link, so it will get you discount on qualifying purchases in the store. I also have a discount code for you for 5 Amazon stores. So these Amazon stores are in the UK, the US, Canada, Australia and Germany. So if you leave the code, which I'm going to flash up now and I'll leave in the description below, if you use that, you will get discount on any purchase on Amazon. But Artistro do trade on Amazon and on their own website. Basically, that is all for me from now. I'm going to take a photograph of this and I'm going to post it on my Instagram. So if you would like to go and see that, I will leave links below to my Instagram account and my other accounts. I'm also going to leave links below to, like I say, the store for Artistro. I'll leave you the discount codes, and I will link you to Artistro's social media accounts. So yeah, until next time, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.